Today we're going to continue reading The Science Behind Homes, a non-fiction book that teaches you everything about the science inside a home. I'm going to go to my table of contents, and we've already read about building a home and the science in your home. We've read about how you keep it warm and keep it cool. Today we're going to move down to this section right here, machines that help us, on page 20. Think to yourself right now, what are already some machines in your house that you think are helpful? What do they do? I think right now that a machine in my house is the dishwasher because it cleans my dishes so I don't have to. Machines that help us. Look around your kitchen at home. What tools can you see that you use for preparing food? You might find scissors, can opener, and bottle openers, and nutcrackers. All these tools are for cutting, opening, and squeezing things. They help us do jobs that we could not do with our hands. They make jobs easier for us. If you notice here, they said those words and then gave us a photograph. All these tools are simple machines that help with jobs in the kitchen. Here on page 21 is all about levers that can be found in the kitchen. These tools are all made from levers. Well, if I don't know what lever is, a lever is a rod that is fixed at one point. A lever is a rod that's fixed in one place called a pivot. We use levers to cut and squeeze things. Levers make push and pull forces bigger. We could use simple tools in the yard such as shears and spades, like shovels. We use tools such as pliers, screwdrivers, and hammers to do-it-yourself jobs. Here's an example of a diagram. It's a picture with some labels. If you didn't understand how a lever works, this will help you. A can opener uses levers to work. Pressing the handles together makes the cutting wheel slice into a can. Here's my two levers. I'm going to push my fingers together, and those forces will poke a hole in the can. That is not anything I could do with my own fingers. Stay safe though. Levers can make very big forces. You should always be very careful with kitchen tools because they can cut or crush your fingers, and never play with these kinds of tools either. On this page, we learn about appliances. If you don't know what an appliance is, it is a machine, such as a dishwasher, that is used in the home. Does your home have a refrigerator, a washing machine, or a dishwasher? These machines are called appliances. Appliances make life easier for us. They do jobs for us and save us time. Other appliances include maybe an oven, a freezer, a toaster, and microwave. Appliances help with cleaning. A dishwasher washes dirty plates, cups, and silverware. It needs a supply of electricity and water. It also needs detergent. Detergent is a cleaning material that attracts grease and dirt. It pulls off the things that are being cleaned. The water washes the grease and dirt away. Electricity works the moving parts of the dishwasher and heats the water to make it hot. A washing machine washes clothes in the same way. When a dishwasher has finished washing, all the dirt and grease from the dishes has gone down the drain. Once again, here we have a photograph. If maybe you don't have a dishwasher in your house, now you know what it looks like, and a caption to explain it. Here's a little fun fact. Appliances are tested to see how much electricity they need to work. Appliances that use less electricity than others are better. They do not waste as much energy. Saving energy is good for our planet. And it's good for your parents' pocketbook because it saves them money. Alright, today we used our table of contents to find a good subject to learn about, machines that help us. We saw a photograph with some labels. We once again saw a diagram with some labels. And we had bolded words that we learned were important or new words that we needed to learn. Today what you're going to do is you're going to take a nonfiction book and you're actually going to go on a text feature scavenger hunt. As you open up a nonfiction book, I'm just going to choose this one, Odd Animal Helpers. You're going to look for text features you already know or some new ones you haven't. As I open it up, I see a bolded or colored word. I see a photograph. Those aren't new to me yet. Perfect Partners, that's the title or heading. It's again some bolded words. A photograph with some bolded words, right? So these are all features that I've already used or learned. In the back I see there's a glossary. It tells me that mucus is a thick slimy liquid. Here's another picture with a heading and some information to learn. As you're working today, you're going to record all of those things in page 32 in your student response book of what you find that's new and maybe what you find that's not new.